Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back to another Cooking with Rico show. Today we are going to Hawaii. I hope I said it right. I wish I had, the thing to go around my neck that they put on as soon as you go to Hawaii, because that's what we're going to be cooking today. It's going to be called Huli, Hawaiian chicken, pineapple. Oh, it is going to be a great dish. So get your sweet tooth, buds, all of that ready. Let's get it on. I hope I did that right. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's get down with the ingredients. We have a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. I have 2 garlic cloves, minced, baby. We're mincing them. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I have a 1/3 cup of ketchup. I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, sweet buds, sweet tooth, all of that ready. I have a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Yeah, you know that's coming. 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice. I have a tablespoon of water. Yes, distilled, whatever you want. It needs to be water because it's gonna be thick after we put a tablespoon of cornstarch. Yes, we do have, because it is Hawaii and it is Hawaiian, pineapples goes best. You know what it goes best over? Chicken. Right, we're gonna have this chicken. We have 7 pieces right here. If you have a bigger, baking pan, go ahead, you can do that as well too. But I got 7 here. And then we're gonna actually, this ginger root. Yeah, this ginger root, we're gonna actually make 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna grate that, of course, so make sure you have your grater. And we're gonna actually grate it, of course. Let me get the right one. We're gonna grate it on this side, right? We want a little bit of thickness there. And then, of course, we have our green onions, right? And that's for garnishing. So we'll chop up enough just to garnish at the end. Oh, this is gonna be good. Let's go. All right, we need to preheat our oven to 375. So now let's grate a little bit of the ginger. I'm gonna get at least 2 tablespoons of the ginger here. Yep, so about 2 tablespoons. It's time to make our sauce now, everyone. So now, this is one of the best parts ever because we're gonna smell nothing but sweetness for like 10 minutes. But of course, on my induction cooker, we're gonna set this to medium. So make sure you have a nice saucepan. Of course, you can see what I have here, a nice deep saucepan as well too. That's going to actually help you as far as with the stir. You're gonna get it all in there. So we're gonna let that heat up. But while that's heating up, everyone, the reason why I wanted to cook this dish, because I love pineapples. I love pineapples, not on pizza, on chicken. I just want to let you guys know, right? The Hawaiian, I need to go to Hawaii. I really want to go to Hawaii and just taste all of the great dishes that's out there. And of course, when fruit and chicken or fruit goes with meat, it just tastes so good. And I think that's one of the best things about Hawaii. You're gonna get that tropical, you're gonna get that great feeling. Of course, if you love pineapple like I do, forget about it. You're gonna love it. All right, I think this is heating up a little bit. So we're gonna start off with our pineapple juice. Pineapple juice in there, chicken broth. Garlic, nice. Get all the garlic in there. Sesame oil. Ketchup. Yeah, baby, ketchup. Sweet tooth time, yeah. So we're gonna add in our brown sugar. And last but not least, soy sauce. Soy sauce. I'm gonna stir this all together. So that's gonna come up to a boil, everyone, and then we're going to let that simmer for at least 10 minutes. I might lower the heat a little bit based off of, don't want it to be popping. You wanna make sure it's just simmering. So based off of if you're doing this on a stove as well, you wanna make sure it's just enough where it's not like splattering everyone, or everywhere, or anyone. Like if you got a lot of people looking over your sauce, you don't wanna splatter in their eye, right? Because soy sauce, you know, it's just not good for the eyes. All right, okay, so we're gonna let that boil just for a little bit. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let that boil for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my ginger in there as well. And then just keep it going. Just keep that action going. All right, let's wait for that to boil. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna add in our ginger. Now it's actually starting to boil now. So let's add in our ginger, stir that around. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this down a little bit more from my end because it is boiling pretty high there. So I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. The oven is ready. So you wanna have that simmer, so it's gonna simmer at least, give it like 9 more minutes because we added in ginger after a minute. So we'll be back in 9 minutes. So as you can see, the bowls itself is slightly thickening now. So we're going to get a few more minutes, 1 more minute. We'll give it 1 more minute, and then we'll add in our cornstarch, the slurry. Our sauce is slightly thickened right now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this tablespoon to our cornstarch. Now it's time for us to add this into our sauce now. Look at that. So we're gonna turn this off. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our sauce over each one. Look at that. Of course, we're gonna smother it all over. All right, it's ready for the oven. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the oven for 40 minutes. Then we'll check in on it halfway, make sure everything is good. Then we're gonna add our pineapples to the top of it. All right, see you back in 40 minutes. Or actually, let's not do 40 minutes. Let's see how we're doing in 25. All right. All right, everybody, let's check in halfway. We're about 25 minutes in. Of course, got 15 more minutes to actually go, but let's see what this looks like so far. Wow, this looks awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this a little bit and make sure. You know what, better yet, I like the brush. I think that should be good. All right, so let's put this back in. Just gonna put this back in for at least, let's do 10 minutes, and then we'll put our pineapple on top, and then we're gonna continue to bake this. So let's put this back. Let's put this over here. See you back in 10 minutes. All right, everybody, it's time to put our pineapple slices on top. All right. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Leave that open just a little bit. All right, it's time to put our pineapples right on top. Then we're gonna put this baby back in for at least like 5 minutes. Know what I'm gonna do? Watch this. Dip it in the sauce. Now be careful because it is kind of hot. I just did a little bit, but I might baste it a little bit, put some on top of here. So good, so good, so good, so good. No, that's still good. Okay. Okay. All right, 5 more minutes. Bring this back. Be back 5 minutes. All right, everybody, it's time to see our masterpiece. Let's see what this comes out looking like. Oh, wow. Ooh. Would you look at that? I'm gonna turn off our oven, put our gloves down. Look at that. Got all that sauce, that chicken broth. You can definitely smell that. Soy sauce, of course. Yeah, I like this. This is Huli, right? This is Huli Hawaiian chicken. Now, of course, we're gonna garnish this, of course, with green onions. All right. So I'm gonna garnish each one of them. Don't want to take away too much as far as from the pineapple. I want to definitely garnish this. Put it nice there. There we go. Put your own touch to it. I'm gonna let this rest for at least 2 minutes, of course, because the chicken is still cooking, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna plate this. Now I have some basmati rice that we're gonna actually put on a big platter. We're gonna dress this all up. We're ready. All right, so we'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll plate, let that cook for and let it simmer down. Then we're ready to eat. All right, let's go. I hope yours came out just as well as mine. I hope we did it together with success because this baby right here is just beautiful. All right, so we'll take a little bit of this rice here, of course, right? Just a little bit. Because the chicken is where it's at. I'm gonna take this one on the end here. All right. Here we go. Stay on, pineapple, stay on. I'm gonna go for the chicken first, everybody. So let me move this off to the side here because I'll wind up eating the whole thing. All right, let's see. All right, feels tender. Man. Huli. That's good. Let's add that rice in there. That's good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It tastes so good. You definitely taste the sauce, the brown sugar. You can also taste, of course, the soy sauce. Definitely taste that. And with the pineapple juice and the extra pineapple on top, I don't know. I'm just so happy right now. Yeah, it's good. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment, let me know if you actually made this as well too. Take a picture, put it in the comments. Hope you can. But don't forget to go to our Instagram at Cooking with Rico Show. Hey, that's where we're at. We're building. We put some other great stuff on there, some homemade stuff as well. I'll just throw something in my stories, but thank you guys so much for actually tuning in. And of course, I'll see you guys next time. Huli. 4K.
Otherwise, you'd be slow-mo, right?
4K. Sign language.
Hot sauce.
Welcome back.
Hot sauce. Barbecue sauce.
Oh, wait.
Barbecue sauce. Okay. Honey barbecue sauce.
Woo! Honey barbecue sauce. Dang, that's in my head now.
Honey barbecue sauce. Honey barbecue sauce. Sauce. Spicy barbecue.
So, sorry.
Barbecue sauce.
All right.
Spicy hot sauce. Spicy barbecue sauce. Barbecue ranch.
Woohoo! I like that.
Oh, barbecue sauce.
Ah.
Tangy barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce.